Alright, we got the ZEV OZ 9mm, so we're going to disassemble and reassemble. We've already cleared nothing in the magazine well, nothing down in the chamber. Alright, now, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull that trigger, and I'm going to basically take the slide, I'm going to grab, and I'm going to pull back, just like that. These little, there's a little lever on this side, and there's a little lever right there on this side. We're going to pull these. They're kind of at an angle, so they're going to kind of go kind of down this way. Instead of straight down, we're going to go down this way. So I'm going to get my thumbnail on top of this one. I'm going to get my other fingernail on top of this one. I'm going to pull back. I don't know if you can see it, but then you just push with your thumb. It's released. Now the frame is fully disassembled for cleaning. The slide, we're going to, when you push this forward, hold on to it. We're going to push it forward, keep tension, pull it up, and then ease it back. So we're going to push it forward, holding on, and easing back. It can spring out. This is a what we call a contained spring. A lot of them are not, but this one is a contained spring. Make sure you check. This is the way the rod goes in. This is the rear of the gun. This is where it seats at. This is the front of the gun. You can see that little, how it's different from here to there. Now we're going to push the barrel. We're going to push it forward, up, and out. So we're going to push it forward, up, and out. Now this is completely disassembled for cleaning, so we're going to go clean it. We're going to come back and we're going to reassemble it. Hey, if this video has helped you out any, please go ahead at this point and like and subscribe to our channel. This helps the algorithms, so other people, if they're looking for this particular gun or different gun to disassemble and reassemble for cleaning, it helps them see it on YouTube. So if you would, just do us a favor and go ahead and like and subscribe. If this has helped you out some, we'd really appreciate that, because it would help a lot of other people. Thanks. Alright, we're back to reassemble it. We're going to take the barrel and we're going to put it down the big barrel hole. So we're going to put it down in, we're going to put it in, down, and then just pull it back and seat it. Now the spring, making sure we're putting it the proper way. This is the rear, this is the front. So we're going to put this toward the hole, the spring hole right there. We're going to start seating it in. Now this has got a, let's see if we can see down in there. You see, that's the first step, and then that's the second step. Right there, we're going to put it down on that second step. So we're going to seat it properly, make sure this is toward the rear. Start it into your hole up front, and then we're going to seat it down. If you can see that, it's down on the second step. And that's where we want to seat it, right there, is on that second step. Now this is properly reassembled as far as the slide is concerned. Now we got to put the slide on the frame. So these little notches right in here, we're going to take the two little notches right there. See if I can get them in focus. Right here and here. We're going to put those notches. Now this frame, where the notches of the frame go, starts back here. Not up there, but back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start sitting it down here. Then we're going to go in. We're going to line it. When it starts sliding, we're good to go. Now all we have to do is pull it back and rack it. That's all we had to do. And all that locks into place. So we pulled it, we racked it, click, rack, click, and we're good to go. Now that is the ZEV OZ 9mm. It is completely reassembled, ready to load and do some shooting. Thanks for checking out our video. If you would, if you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.